We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County, northwestern Collin County, Cook, and Grayson counties until 8 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm is located along a line of its storms extending from near Gainesville to near Sanger to 8 miles northwest of Crum, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for northern Denton County, northwestern Collin County, southeastern Cook County, and southwestern Grayson County until 8 o'clock. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Gainesville to Sanger to just northwest of Crum, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. The Dallas-Fort Worth area. Operation Stormwatch is underway tonight on WBAP. I'm meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. New severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued for portions of Wise and Parker and Palo Pinto counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Bridgeport, Jacksboro, Alvord, Chico. The following counties are included: western Wise County, Jack County, northwestern Parker County, and northeastern Palo Pinto County until 8:45. Severe thunderstorms located along a line from northwest of Jacksboro to just east of Bryson and moving to the east at about 35 miles per hour. The storms may contain 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wise, for Jack County, northwestern Parker, and northeastern Palo Pinto counties until 8:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And that's pretty much what we have.
9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Pilot Point to Crossroads, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Denton, Allen, Wiley, The Colony, Corinth, Lake Dallas, Lake Lewisville, Little Elm, Prosper, Anna, Fairview, Princeton, Salina, Lucas, Melissa, Pilot Point, and Parker. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 458 and 461. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Local family group.
As we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton County and for Collin County until 9 o'clock. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Pilot Point to the Crossroads area, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton and all of Collin counties until 9 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm from east of Pilot Point down to Crossroads, moving east at 35 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And a quick radar update. Thunderstorm from east of Pilot Point down to Crossroads, moving east at 35 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
And healing.
Operation Storm Watch on WBAP. Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center here at 8:33. We have new severe thunderstorm warnings coming out now for eastern Parker and for the western half of Tarrant County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. Interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Parker and western Tarrant County until 9:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Poolville to 10 miles north of Weatherford to near Brock, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These storms may contain ping-pong ball-sized hail and 70 mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Parker, western Tarrant counties until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm near Poolville to just north of Weatherford, moving east at 45 miles per hour, pretty good clip, and the storms may contain 70 mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, we'll give you a quick radar update here. We have two, and the storms may contain 70 mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
All of the Old Testament.
DFW Tax Attorney at 972-484-0829 or visit myiRSteam.com.
Operation Stormwatch in effect on WBAP at 9:19. We have new severe thunderstorm warnings being issued now for portions of Johnson, Tarrant, Ellis, and Dallas counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County, for all of Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis County, and southwestern Dallas County until 10:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from Saginaw in northwestern Tarrant County down to Edgecliff Village down to near Crowley in southern Tarrant County, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms may contain ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 to 70 mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson, for all of Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis County, and southwestern Dallas County until 10:15. Severe thunderstorms located over Tarrant County, moving east at 35 miles per hour, with ping-pong ball-sized hail and estimated 60 to 70 mile-per-hour wind gusts. Also, a flash flood warning has been issued for portions of Dallas County and Roswell County until 12:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Just a quick radar update here on Operation Stormwatch on WBAP. A tornado warning is now being issued for Dallas and Ellis counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ellis County and southern Dallas County until 10:30. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Midlothian, the Dallas-Ellis County line, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm may contain tornado winds and half-dollar-sized hail. Cedar Hill, Midlothian, Waxahachie, Ovilla, and Red Oak are in the path of this storm. Once again, a tornado warning issued for northwestern Ellis County and southern Dallas County until 10:30. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Midlothian, moving east at 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. It is 9:00 on WBAP. Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. New severe thunderstorm warnings are now being issued for portions of Kaufman, Henderson, Ellis, and Navarro counties. Stand by as we alert other stations in the area on WBAP. Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson County, northern Ellis County, and northeastern Navarro County until 11:30. The severe thunderstorm located near Palmer and Forreston moving east at 40 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson County, northern Ellis County, and northeastern Navarro County until 11:30. A severe thunderstorm located near Palmer along I-45, moving east at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And we'll take one more quick as we alert our other station in the area on WBAP. Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson County, northern Ellis County, and northeastern Navarro County until 11:30. The thunderstorm located near Palmer and Forreston along I-45, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson, northern Ellis, and northeastern Navarro County in north central Texas until 11:30. So the thunderstorm located near Palmer and Forreston, moving east at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And just a quick radar update.